And this is after applying the setting powder. So, itong nakikita nyo, oil pala yan. Kaya, sabi ko sa sarili ko, oh my God, kailangan ko na talaga ng setting powder. So, I'm currently using this setting powder. Napansin ko sa product na to is it blends seamlessly sa balat ko. Sobrang smooth ng texture niya. Yan. So, let's do a transfer test. So, ito na nga. Ang gamit kong powder is from C Makeup. It is a loose and setting powder in one. Ang mantika ako kanina, pero, 'di ba? Kinaya niya. It has a matte finish and long-lasting siya, guys. Also, affordable siya. So, if you're looking for a perfect setting powder, lalayo ka pa ba? Andito na yung C Makeup, oh. Long-lasting, affordable. Happen na!